can see that when we give speeches, there's great opportunity for learning because, first of all, your own speech performance is a challenge, it's interesting to you, and of course, the more you challenge yourself, the better. But you're also learning a great deal from each other's performance. Okay, you're learning about how others do the same assignment. You're learning what works well and what can be improved from each other. It's a really great learning opportunity. So, your next step is to prepare a folder, which I will collect as soon as possible. And in that folder, you only have your speech assignment form. It should have your outline in it. It should have your completed evaluation form. And you need to check Blackboard. As soon as those speeches are up on the internet, I will put a link on Blackboard. You watch your own speech and then you write your letter to me. Hopefully they'll get this done today. I don't know what the turnaround is because I would love to get your portfolios on Wednesday. Because the sooner I get your portfolios, the sooner we can finish up with this assignment and I can give you feedback. Okay? So, in general, you are learning many different things as we do speeches. This was a personal speech. You really didn't have to do any research for this speech, but we get a sense of what you all can do. As a general rule, when you give a speech, never ever apologize when you start. Don't come here and say, sorry, I didn't prepare, but I'm going to give a speech anyway. Or, sorry, my English is not very good, but I'm going to give a speech anyway. Or, sorry, I'm tired today, but, I'll give a speech anyway. Or, whatever it is, don't apologize. Just do your thing. Because your goal as a speaker is to provide something for your audience. So if you tell them this is not going to be very good, you are not doing yourself a favor because your audience will not think very highly of you. Okay? So even if something's not perfect, don't talk about it. Just go and do your thing. Remember, we're here to learn. Okay, so this was our first speech, and that finishes our sort of orientation phase of speech class. We will now move on, and we are going to move to part 2 of our speech class. And I've decided that part 2 of our speech class will be called Chicago. Okay? And in this part of speech class, we are going to have a number of different speaking, listening projects related to Chicago. I will introduce you to conversation skills and interview skills. And you will have your first